Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. This time is just for you. A few quiet moments to release stress and restore calm. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, and allow your body to settle. As you listen, gently close your eyes and begin to focus on your breath. Now take a slow breath in through your nose for a count of 4. Hold it gently. And exhale softly through your mouth for a count of 5. Feel the breath moving through you, calm, steady, peaceful. With every inhale, invite calm into your body. With every exhale, let go of tension and stress. Continue breathing deeply, slow and rhythmic, letting your body relax more with each cycle. If thoughts arise, let them drift away like clouds in the sky. Bring your attention to the top of your head. Release any tightness in your forehead, around your eyes, your jaw. Let your shoulders drop and your chest open as you breathe. Feel warmth spreading down your arms and hands. Let your back and stomach soften, releasing any tension. Your hips, legs, and feet are now heavy and relaxed. Imagine a soft, warm light traveling slowly down your body, calming, soothing, peaceful. Your entire body is now relaxed and at ease. Now imagine yourself in a peaceful place, perhaps by the ocean, a quiet forest, or a field of soft grass. You can hear the gentle sounds of nature, the whisper of the wind, the song of birds, or the rhythm of waves. Feel the peace of this place surrounding you. With each breath, you sink deeper into relaxation. You are safe, you are calm, you are centered. Let this sense of calm expand in your chest, a soft light growing brighter with every breath. For a few moments, simply rest in this peaceful silence. Begin to bring awareness back to your body. Feel the surface beneath you and the weight of your relaxed body. Take one more deep breath in and exhale completely. Carry this calm with you as you return to your day. You are relaxed, refreshed, and at peace. When you're ready, gently open your eyes.